Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for TikTok. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and you won't want to miss that. So let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app and here if you haven't signed up yet, it actually opens up and shows you how to sign up. So here we just tap on continue with Google or use your email and tap on the email that you want to use. And here it just signs you up. You can allow or don't allow notifications to be sent to you. And that's pretty much it. Here it customizes the experience for you. And that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.